Did you know that you can add additional options to your doors and frames that may not necessarily be hardware preps but have no home on the order form? CURRIES EDGE has a place for those, and that's called specifications. Specifications is a column on our order forms and can be found exclusively in Edge. Click on the black box under the specifications column to get a list of additional options you could add. For example, do you need to add a custom finish? Click in the blank space under option type and you will get a drop-down menu of options you can select. For example, you can see the primer option as the fourth item in the drop-down. When selected, you can then choose an option code from the drop-down, where you can choose in this example to apply 2 coats of gray primer. Here are some specification options you can add to frames. Some things to note regarding specifications. EDI orders coming into Edge from various project management software programs will load any applicable information under specifications, so be sure to review that either under the column or in the print preview. CURRIES EDGE is proud to add additional columns like specifications to speed up the ordering process. The faster orders are processed, the faster we can manufacture and the faster we can get it out for delivery. Thank you for using CURRIES EDGE. Check out our other Edge videos to help you get the most out of this online ordering tool.